Give me some.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Pretty Miss Lewis, and today I will be unboxing my new phone with y'all. See, gotta see the shipping label, but I just will be unboxing my phone for y'all, okay? And I'm currently recording this on my iPhone 11, not 13. I got the 13, and I'm recording on my 11. And I know that this is not the newest phone that's been released, but this is the one I wanted, so it's the one I bought. So yeah. But before I jump into the video, I just want to say shout out to my good friend Anthony for the intro. His @ is the real one. At him at the real one. And I just put his info in the description if you want an intro made or some photo editing and stuff. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna jump into the video and open the box because I'm ready to see this phone. All right, so I just got my unboxing scissors. Okay. All right. Oh, there you go, y'all. Okay, so here it go. iPhone 13, brand new in the box, still got the little seals on it. And then okay, it's just got like shipping labels. Okay, so this is for me to send my old phone back and stuff, but that's not important. But yes, y'all, this is my new phone, my iPhone 13. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it open. And this came early. This came like 10 o'clock this morning because I was about to go get my driver's license because I got to renew them. But I got my package. So I said, let me unbox the package. So there it go. The moment of truth. Oh my God. Yo, look at it. Okay. Wow. Let me just set that right here very carefully. I got a new charger. I think this is the USB-C. Is this the, yeah, this is the USB-C. I already had one, but you know, you can never have enough Apple chargers. So just set that to the side. And that's all that comes in the box. Let's see, the SIM card remover tool since I'm setting it up from home, and one Apple sticker. It's not much that come in the box, but it still was boxed really nicely and neatly. I remember at a time like when the phones used to come with AirPods and the little charging brick. But yes, wow. This feels so different in hand than my iPhone 11. But it kind of just got the little buttons. Silent. I think that's volume up, volume down. Power button on that side. And then it's got like, it show you where to charge it. So I'm going to go ahead and rip the plastic off. Okay. So satisfying. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know if it has any charge or not. Oh. Okay, it's cutting on. I didn't think it would have any charge. I thought I would have to charge it, but oh, it says hello. And it just tells you hello in all the different languages. The diversity. English, United States, Okay. And yeah, it's just gonna take you through the little setup screen and everything like that. But I will set this up when I get back from running errands, because right now I have to go get my license and I have to go get my car washed because pollen and dust and living out west, that's a thing. So I probably will be adding the next video. Well, it's gonna be like a part 2 with the same video where I have set the phone up, and I will just come back and set the phone up later. So see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, so this is just my outfit of the day. I have on Doc Martens skirt, pink skirt from Francesca's, shirt from Kohl's, I believe, and this sweater is from, I don't know, because I had it since like high school. But this is just me recording on my new phone. I got it all set up. The camera quality is everything. And I just want to say thank y'all for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end the video and see y'all in the next one. Bye.